Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's doing great today. The sun is shining beautiful here in Northwest Georgia, and we're sitting here in the parking lot for Sam's Club, and we're getting ready to go in. We're going to do our monthly shopping haul, and the only thing, Marie, it's been over 2 months since last time we were here.
Yes, and I hope that I can get an electric car today. There's so many people going in right now, and if I don't, I'll just have to walk slow.
Yeah, well, hopefully you'll get one. We don't need an extremely large amount of things, but there are quite a few items that we want to pick up today.
Yes.
So y'all come in with us and we'll see how it goes today. Okay, we're going to stop over here and check on vitamins first.
Okay, I had several vitamins on my list today, but this was the only one here today, and it's magnesium glycinate, and I take the 240 milligrams, and so I guess I'll have to go to Walmart's, the regular Walmart's, to finish getting my vitamins, but I'm not going to do it today. And this was how much, Calvin?
$16.98.
Okay, this was $16.98. Okay. I'm getting this blue plate mayonnaise. It's $6.68 for 2 jars. Okay. I'm out of barbecue sauce, so I'm getting this Sweet Baby Ray's, and it's $6.98 for 2. We're low on A1 sauce, and so I'm getting 2 bottles of it, and it's $8.68.
Okay, we're going to get a 12-pack of diced tomatoes. They're $9.68 for 12 cans. Marie, we don't need any Rotel tomatoes right now, do we?
I don't know. I didn't check.
I think we got plenty of those.
Okay. Okay, I'm getting this lunch to go tuna packages, and it's $7.78. And there's 5 of them.
Okay, we're getting 8 cans of green beans, and they're $8.42 for 8 cans.
Okay, I have 2 large jars of creamy peanut butter, and they're $7.78. I have 2 jars of strawberry jam. And this is Smucker's, and this right here is Calvin's favorite jam, and it's $6.98 for 2.
Okay, we're gonna get the Bounce dryer sheets. There's 400 for $11.48.
I'm getting some strawberries. They're $6.97.
Okay, and we're just gonna walk right on past all these sweets and desserts today, aren't we, Marie? Okay, we're getting 3 pounds of the organic grass-fed ground beef for $18.54.
I'm getting a rotisserie chicken for $4.98. I'm getting a 5-pound bag of pears, and it's $6.22. I think this is a real good buy. I'm getting 4 pounds of Cosmic Crisp apples, and they're $5.96 a bag.
Okay, we're getting 2 cartons of orange juice for $7.34.
I'm getting some mini cucumbers for $4.54.
Okay, I'm getting a 3-pound bag of the grilled chicken bites, and they're $16.98.
Okay, I'm getting the pork egg rolls, and they're $9.98. Okay, I'm getting this shrimp tempura, and it is $16.44. I've never tried it, and I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully it's good.
Okay, we're getting this 2-pound bag of garden salad. It's $2.66.
They have some pretty spring sheets here for $24.94. I'm getting some blueberries. They're $6.12. Okay, I'm getting some, they're called Jumbo Bites red grape tomatoes, and they're $6.27. I think this is all we're going to get today. So we're going to check out, and so I'll talk to you when we get to the car. Okay, we just came out of Sam's Club today, and our total was $211.81. It would have been more if they had some of the vitamins that I was looking for. So I'll have to make another stop at Walmart's sometime this week and pick up the rest of my vitamins, because they have them at Walmart's. And also today it was pretty crowded, wasn't it?
It was extremely crowded in there.
And the music was just blaring. I like it better when the music is not playing, but we just didn't get out here in time for that.
We did pretty good though. We managed to go through the whole store, and we stayed away from all the sweets and snacks.
We did. We got a pretty good bit of fruit, so I'm going to have to wash all of that and put it up and eat it instead of junk food. But anyway, they had a pretty good deal on some pears, and I got some blueberries and strawberries, but I think we forgot to get some bananas.
We didn't get any bananas. The ones they had didn't look that good, and so I like to get good ripe bananas.
Okay, so I think we're going to head home now, and we're going to close our video out. We're not going to put everything up and show it. We don't really think there's a need to it, since we showed you everything that we got in Sam's. So, Kevin, do you have anything else you want to say?
No, I just appreciate everybody watching. I did get a little tired toward the end. That is one big store in there, and I think I made a trip around it about twice at least.
Yes, and Calvin, he has health issues also. I've tried to encourage him to get a buggy like me, and I also, y'all that don't know me, I can only walk, so far until I have issues. But Calvin, he says he's not ready for a buggy yet. I'm not ready for it either, but my body is. So I guess we'll close our video out now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. And I'm also enjoying this spring weather that we're having right now. I think it's going to be up in the 60s and 70s for a few days, but I'm sure we're going to get hit with another cold spell soon. So bye, y'all. Y'all have a great day.